Hi everyone, Nadia here from Oxigo. Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night because your CPAP hose was making bubbling sounds? Or worse, felt water in your mask? If that's happened to you, you've experienced something called rainout, and you're definitely not alone. Condensation inside CPAP tubing is one of the most common complaints among CPAP users. But here's the good news. Rainout is frustrating, but it's fixable. Today, I will explain what causes rainout, why it happens more in certain seasons, and the best solutions to prevent it, including heated hoses and other anti-condensation products. And if you want to sleep more comfortably tonight, keep watching. But first, make sure to subscribe to our channel and follow Oxigo on social media. We share weekly tips to help you get the most out of your CPAP and oxygen therapy. Let's start with the basics. Rainout happens because of a temperature difference. Your CPAP machine produces warm, humidified air, but your bedroom air is often cooler, especially in autumn, winter, and early spring. When the warm, moisture air travels through a cool hose, it cools down. And when warm air cools, moisture turns into water droplets, and that's condensation. And that water builds up inside the tubing. Sometimes you will hear bubbling, sometimes the hose feels heavy, and sometimes water even reaches your mask, which can wake you up with a wet face. Not ideal. But why does it happen more in certain seasons? Rainout can technically happen all year, but it's more common when you're using a humidifier, the humidifier setting is high, the bedroom is cold, or you sleep with the window open. The bigger the temperature difference between the air inside the hose and the air in your room, the higher the chance of condensation. Now let's talk about solutions. First off, use a heated CPAP hose. This is the gold standard. A heated hose contains a small heating element that keeps the air temperature stable as it travels through the tube. Because the air stays warm, it doesn't cool down enough to form condensation. Heated hoses must always be used together with a humidifier, and some CPAP machines allow you to connect the heated hose directly to the device, while others require a separate power supply. Very important, always make sure that the hose you choose is compatible with your specific CPAP machine. Number 2, use a hose wrap. This is a soft cover that fits around your CPAP tubing and acts as insulation. It reduces heat loss and helps minimize condensation. It also makes the hose glide more smoothly over your sheets. However, it's important to know that a hose wrap is helpful, but a heated hose is usually more effective. Never use a hose wrap together with a heated hose. It should only be used with standard tubing. Number 3, adjust your settings and environment. Lower your humidifier setting, so try to lowering it slightly because small adjustments can make a big difference, and adjust your bedroom temperature. If you sleep with the windows open, try closing it or warming the room slightly before bed. If you want to finally sleep without rainout, don't forget to visit our website. The link is down below in the description. In our anti-condensation products section, you will find heated CPAP hoses and hose wraps. Each product page clearly explains compatibility so you can choose safely and confidentially. And remember, taking the right step now can mean a dry, quiet, uninterrupted night of sleep. So rainout is common, but it's not something you have to live with. With the right adjustments and accessories, you can eliminate condensation immediately. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you in the next video.